So we're seeing a lot of erosion around Tampa Bay, especially Courtney Campbell Causeways, where an area that we kind of focused on, especially because Old Tampa Bay has seen poor water quality, and so these oyster catcher mats is a way that we can kind of tackle water quality, habitat loss, and shoreline erosion. Basically, it's a nature-based solution, living shoreline, where we're using plastic-free materials to create sustainable reefs. And so these reefs are designed to increase wave attenuation so that we're slowing down wave energy, create habitat through oyster growth, and then that oyster growth also creates a filtration system which is going to improve water quality. And so these are just some pictures of Courtney Campbell Causeway and the site that we're looking at. And so because of hyper-erosion due to boat and jet ski action, we've seen a loss of shoreline. And so we have these exposed mangrove roots where if we put in oyster reef in collaboration with our oyster mats, we can see a reduction in shoreline erosion and an improvement in water quality. So those pictures are taken at the same site, just 3 months apart in the same tide, same water depth. So you see an increase in shoreline because of the reduction of erosion. So this is just us with a group of volunteers from Saltstrong and the FDOT putting our reefs together. So again, this is a nature-based solution that's intended to be made by volunteers and quite easy concept or structure to make. And so it's something that we're trying to push out to, again, create habitat, improve water quality, and reduce shoreline erosion, especially in FDOT sites.
So we'll go out and we're going to pull these mats out of their form, place them out there in front of the kayak, and then we'll be casting all around them. So go around. On the course. So you just look at the 4 points. And then, like you said, it's easiest with a buddy because one of them you cast and the other one's keeping track of your points for you. And that works out.
And it's 6 throws each?
6 throws each. That's on the instructions out there.
Any kayak guys in here? There's a kayak station, so you might have a leg up. Alright, so I have all the winners for the casting contest ready to announce. I'm going to do the first prize winner obviously first, and we have some runners up. So the first prize winner with the score of 28, Cody, come on up, man. Scott had a score of 27, so you were one behind.
So what we're giving away here, we've got gold and silver medals in the form of gold and silver spoons.
So the 5 that I'm going to announce right now get the gold, right?
Yep, there you go. There's your gold medal.
After our Snook season has come to a close, our Chapter V Chapter tournament came to a close, and we wanted to unveil the coveted Saltstrong Chapter Challenge Championship Trophy, which, again, this year, our first champion, Sports Coast Snook 2024, and I would like to be the first to honor Terry. Would you like to come up here? And we're going to present the very first trophy. Yes, sir, this is, I guess since we're doing it the first time, I want to...
Yes, no, thank you very much.
It was fun. It was a fun challenge. But yeah, we had a great time. The trophy's great. We'd love everybody to participate in the next one. I think we're going to do it in the fall. We're going to have a little bit better.
Yep.
Get it set up really nice. But again, congratulations.
Yeah, no, thank you very much.